cancer, everybody gives themselves cancer. And people don't like to admit that, but it's like being an alcoholic. You can't get well from alcoholism unless you admit publicly you did this to yourself. And people have a very difficult time doing that, and they don't realize that the very things that they do every day are the things that cause cancer and Parkinson's and all that. Now, disease is a spiritual problem. It starts in your heart, because you want to eat and live the way you want to eat and live, rather than the way God has designed us to eat and live. I had to learn that, and I started studying the Bible. I was not healed miraculously. I was healed the way anybody else can be healed. It was a long, hard struggle and a very regimented plan, and it took 18 months for me to get well. For 2 years, I was getting worse and worse and worse, and people say, well, how did you follow your progress? Well, I followed my progress by getting worse and worse and worse. But I still would not go to the conventional doctors because I had seen too many thousands of patients die from the treatment we give them. Chemotherapy is poison. It causes cancer. Every doctor knows that. Radiation, doctors will tell you, don't get too many x-rays. X-rays cause cancer. But when you have cancer, then they say, we have to give you huge doses of what we told you to avoid because it causes cancer. Well, it's because doctors don't know how to treat cancer. We're never taught, because the pharmaceutical industries control much of what is taught in medical school, because they give the majority of funding for research, and they only teach surgery and drugs.